MATLAB and Simulink for Engineers by Agam Kumar Tyagi is one of the best-selling books of MATLAB in the international market, published by Oxford University Press, India. This is the PowerPoint accompany of Chapter 1, Introduction to MATLAB Programming. MATLAB is basically a short form of Matrix Laboratory. Cleve Moeller wrote the first version of MATLAB in 1970. Since then, it became successful computational and commercial software. MATLAB gained popularity due to its computational power, user-friendliness, and its modifications according to the changing scenario. Today, this tool is widely used in many research institutions and universities for their R&D purposes. This is the default MATLAB desktop, which you will see when you will click on the MATLAB icon on your desktop. This default MATLAB desktop is of MATLAB version R 2010A. It is also showing how to use the help command for integration. You can also see the command window, command history, workspace, and current folder. The command window shows the commands which you have executed on the command window as well as the output result of a MATLAB program. In command history, you will find all the commands which you have executed previously in the MATLAB. The workspace is basically a memory space of MATLAB which contains all the variables and their numerical values which you have stored in a particular program. The current folder displays the current directory from where you are picking up the MATLAB file. Getting started, step 2. The basic arithmetic operators that can be conventionally used with MATLAB are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, and hash for division, in conjunction with brackets. The symbol as shown is used to get exponents powers. For example, 3 plus 2 divided by within brackets 4 into 6. The answer is 3.0833. You can note that in this particular calculations, the MATLAB first performs the operation within the brackets, that is 4 into 6, which is 24. After that, it will follow the powers. There is no power in this. After this, multiplication and subtraction. So subtraction is 2 divided by 24, that is 0.833, and in the last, it will do addition and subtraction. So the final result is 3 plus 0.0833, that is 3.0833. Formats of numbers. Different formats are available in MATLAB. Let us summarize the following formats: format short, format long, format short E, format long E, format short G, and format long G. Let's take an example. Format short comma pi. The answer is 3.1416. It is displaying the value of pi up to the last 4 decimal numbers. Format long pi, answer is 3.141592653588979. So you can see that it is displaying the value of pi in format long up to 15 digits. Similarly, you can use format short e pi. It is displaying value of pi in terms of e. The general purpose commands which are normally used in MATLAB are Simulink. Simulink is a library browser and is used for modeling and simulation of a system and has various inbuilt blocks and functions. Demos demonstrate about the capabilities of MATLAB, and you can also run built-in demos which are available in the MATLAB. Version VER gives the information about MATLAB and Simulink version. CLC clears all the entire contents of the command window. CLF clears the current figure which you are using. Clear all, remove all the functions, variables, and global variables from the MATLAB. Clear all and CLC are normally used in the starting of a program to clear the command window and all the variables which are previously stored in the MATLAB. Quit exits MATLAB, who lists the variables currently in the memory. InMem lists the functions in MATLAB memory. Java is used when you are using Java within MATLAB environment. Recycles moves deleted files to recycle bin. Pack saves all the variables on the disk after clearing the memory and then reloads the variable. Percentage symbols is used for writing commands in MATLAB. Whatever is written after this symbol is ignored by the MATLAB while executing the MATLAB program. There are some predefined symbols in MATLAB. Pi contains the value of pi up to 15 significant numbers. I and J are imaginary numbers. INF stands for infinity. NaN means this is not a number. Clock represents an array containing 6 elements: year, month, day, hour, minute and second. Date contains the current date like 24 July 2010. EPS represents the smallest difference between two numbers. ANS is basically the default variable for the output when you are executing a MATLAB program and no variable is defined for the particular output. Simulink is a block set based programming tool developed by MathWorks for modeling, simulating and analyzing multi-domain dynamic systems. It is basically a graphical extension of MATLAB in which system models are constructed on a screen by using various blocks. All these blocks are available in the Simulink library. This screen shows the various commonly used blocks which are available in the Simulink library. For example, bus creator, bus selector, constant block, data type conversion block, demux block, integration block, ground block, subsystem block, scope block, switch block, saturation block, terminator block and unit delay block. This is a very simple and basic model which is constructed in Simulink just for the sake of understanding how you can model and analyze the waveforms in Simulink environment. It contains a sine wave block, another sine wave block named as sine wave 1 and a scope block. When you will double click on the scope block, the following window will open: scope parameters. In this we have put the number of axes as 2, time range as auto, tick labels on bottom axis only, and sampling we have done sample time as 10 e to the power minus 6. Similarly, we have set the parameters for sine wave. The amplitude for the sine wave we have taken as 1 and frequency as 314 radian per second with a 0 phase shift and sample time. The following waveforms are observed on the scope after running the Simulink model as shown previously, and you can observe the magnitude and the time period of both the sine waveforms. The following key terms are helpful to get further details regarding the chapter which you have studied right now. And if you want to go in much detail, you can refer to the book MATLAB and Simulink for Engineers by Oxford University Press.